Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a bright and cheerful castle, with tall, swirly towers and rainbow-colored flags, lived a jolly king with a big round tummy and a booming laugh. He loved to be entertained, and the one who always made him smile was Jago, the castle jester. Jago had floppy, stripy trousers, a pointy hat with jingling bells, and the silliest grin you ever did see. One sunny morning, the king clapped his hands. "Jago, my funny friend," he chuckled. "Today I wish to see you juggle. Jelly." Jago's eyes went wide. Jelly? How could anyone juggle something so wobbly and jiggly? He bowed low and hurried off to figure out this sticky situation. First, Jago tried freezing the jelly. He put big bowls of red and blue jelly into the castle's chilly ice room. When he took them out, they were hard and cold. He tossed one into the air, but it was too slippery and flew away like a speedy puck. "Oops," giggled Jago. Next, Jago found some colorful fishing nets in the royal storage room. "Aha!" he exclaimed. "Maybe the nets will hold the wobbly jelly." He carefully scooped the jiggly jelly into the nets and tried to toss them, but the jelly just squeezed through the holes, making a sticky mess. A little fluffy bunny with long ears hopped by and watched with wide, curious eyes. Suddenly, the fluffy bunny twitched its nose and hopped over to a pile of colorful balloons. An idea popped into Jago's head like a bubble. He carefully poured the wobbly red, blue and green jelly into the balloons. They wobbled and jiggled inside their bouncy homes. Back in the great hall, the king sat on his throne, tapping his foot with anticipation. Jago entered with a flourish, holding the balloons filled with jelly. He tossed them into the air. One by one, the colorful balloons bounced and floated, looking like giant wobbly bubbles. The king roared with laughter. The fluffy bunny, who had followed Jago, clapped its paws with delight. Jago took a bow, as the jelly-filled balloons gently floated to the ground. The king wiped a happy tear from his eye. "Jago," he said, "you are the cleverest jester in all the land. You found a funny and wonderful way to juggle jelly." Jago smiled. Sometimes, when things seem tricky, a little bit of trying and a dash of imagination can help you find the silliest and best solution. And the fluffy bunny, it hopped over and gently nudged a fallen jelly balloon, learning that even the wobbliest things can be fun in their own way.
Please subscribe. Thank you.